Catholic Association बिथांमोना गासैबो बिशपफोरखौ मान बावगोन बेनिखायनो members I call upon all members of Boro Catholic Association to proceed with your felicitation items नोंसिनि मान बावनो गोनां आइटेमफोरखौ लानानै जाहाथे साफा गासैबो बिशपफोरखौ मान बावो So thank you, fathers, sisters. And now, मोनसे गोनां जोंहा लास्ट जोबनायाव दंबावो बेनो जाहैबाय जायनि थाखाय जों बाव जमा जाबाय दिनैहाय जे केथेड्रेला गिर्जाया जे लुखांजाबाय The Cathedral Church that has come into reality. And there are so many persons behind that. And one of the most important among them are the engineers, the contractors, the masonry workers, and the interns who have done all the laborious jobs to bring this church into reality. जाय बिथांमोना सिमां बायदोंमोन बेखौ रियेलिटियाव लाबोबाय दा बिथांमोनखौ जोङो मान बावनो नागिरदों the architect and engineer. Then I'd like to now invite Most Reverend Victor Lindo, Archbishop of Ceylon. Most Reverend Linus Nelly, Archbishop of Impal, and Most Reverend Thomas Menamperampil, Archbishop Emeritus Guwahati. And to do the honor, I would like to invite Right Reverend Bishop Thomas Polofilin, the Bishop of Bongaigaon. So someone please help our bishop come forward. So we are going to felicitate our Most Reverend John Molachira, Archbishop of Guwahati, with a traditional Hindi Johar court, and mementos representing the Boro traditional instrument, which is known as serza. So again, I'd like to invite Most Reverend Dominic Lumon, Archbishop Emeritus of Impal. Please come forward. So I'd like to request our Bishop of Bongaigaon to the honor the Most Reverend John Molachira, Archbishop of Guwahati. A big round of applause. Kowe apa komnani he? Traditional Hindi Johar court, an aronai, Boro traditional instrument called serza, and a small token of love from Bishop himself. So next, Most Reverend Victor Lindo, Archbishop of Ceylon. Kowe apa komnani he? Next, Most Reverend Linus Nelly, Archbishop of Impal. So next, Most Reverend Thomas Menam Archbishop Emeritus of Guwahati. Apa kemenangan Bapak? So thank you, Bishop. Now it's for group photo. Group photo for a while. Yeah. Please. Thank you so much. Now we'll continue with the felicitation program. So next we have, I'd like to invite Right Reverend Andrew Marak, Bishop of Tura, and Right Reverend John Thomas, Bishop Emeritus Itanagar. I think he's not there. So I'd like to invite Right Reverend Andrew Marak, Bishop of Tura. And to do this honor, I would like to invite Mr. Janak Basumatari, the chairperson of the Diocesan Pastoral Council of Bongaigaon. So Most Reverend Dominic Loman, Bishop Emeritus of Impa. Itanagar, sorry. Right Reverend John Thomas, Bishop Emeritus of Itanagar. Right Reverend Andrew Marak, Bishop of Tura. Thank you so much. Now I'd like to invite Right Reverend Michael Acacius Topo. And it is an important announcement that it is the 18th episcopal anniversary of Right Reverend Michael Acacius Topo. It is the 18th anniversary, Bishop Janili. Going to Abakumari. To do this honor, I would like to invite the woman president of DPC to proceed with the felicitation program. So, woman president DPC, Richa Gloria Musahari. Honoring our bishop. Right Reverend Michael Acacius Topo. Next, I'd like to invite Right Reverend James Totil, Bishop of Kohima. Please come forward. And to do this honor, I'd like to invite Secretary DPC, Mr. David Bara. So Right Reverend James Topping, Bishop of Colima. Next, I'd like to invite Right Reverend Lumen Monterio, Bishop of Agartala. And to do this honor, I'd like to invite the Vice President of Cathedral Parish, Gregory Musahari. So Mr. Gregory Musahari will felicitate Right Reverend Lumen Monteiro, Bishop of Agartala. Next, I'd like to invite Right Reverend Paul Matikat, Bishop of Tipu. Right Reverend Paul Matikat, Bishop of Tipu. To do this honor, I'd like to invite Secretary, Cathedral Parish, Nikodi Musahari. So next, I'd like to invite Right Reverend Albert Hembron, Bishop of Dibrugarh. So now, Right Reverend Albert Hembron, Bishop of Dibrugarh, to this honor, I'd like to invite Youth Committee DPC, either President or Secretary. So spokesperson of DPC, please. So next, I would like to invite Right Reverend George Paliparampil, Bishop of Miao. And to do this honor, I will to invite spokesperson of DPC, Philemon Tudu. So Right Reverend George Paliparampil, Bishop of Miao, honored by DPC spokesperson, Philemon Tudu. Next, I would like to invite in sequence Right Reverend Thomas Kulupilil, Bishop of Bongaigaon. So we are very much grateful to Bishop for all the program that we have and for completing successfully and bringing us into reality in the Cathedral Church. A big round of applause. And to do this honor, by Women Wing Cathedral Parish, either President or Secretary, Sujita Kujur. So Sujita Kujur, Women Wing, Secretary, DPC of Bongaigaon, honoring Bishop Thomas Kulupilil. Next, I would like to invite Right Reverend Stephen Rodlanga, Bishop of Aijon. And to do this honor, I would like to a small token of love from the parish also. And I'd like to invite our brother Anando to proceed with the felicitation with a small token of love from the Cathedral Parish. Bishop. Yes. And this is from parish.
This is from Cathedral Parish. Thank you, Your Lordship, for making this a beautiful Cathedral Church. Thank you.
Siap komnan he? Thank you so much. Now, Right Reverend Stephen Roglanga, Bishop of Aizawl. And to do this honor, I will to invite our chairperson of DPC, Mr. Jonathan Basantari, to come forward. So we are very much grateful to have with us Right Reverend Stephen Roglanga, Bishop of Aizawl, followed by DPC chairperson Jonathan Basantari. Next, I'd like to invite the Right Reverend Wilbert Marvin, Bishop of Nongstoin. And to do this honor, I'd like to invite Woman President of DPC, Richard Gloria Musahari. Thank you so much. So, Right Reverend Wilbert Marvin, Bishop of Nongstoin, honored by President of Women DPC, Richard Gloria Musahari. Next, I'd like to invite Right Reverend Ferdinand Ducker, Bishop of Chuar. And to do this honor, I'd like to invite Diocese Treasurer Priscilla. So, Right Reverend Ferdinand Ducker, Bishop of Chuar. Next, I'd like to invite Right Reverend B.E. Varghese, Bishop of Itanagar. And to do this honor, I'd like to invite Women Secretary DPC, Sujita Kuju. Right Reverend B.E. Varghese, Bishop of Itanagar. And next we have Right Reverend Dennis Panipicha, Auxiliary Bishop of Miao. And to do this honor, I would like to invite Vice President of Cathedral Parish, Gregory Musahari. So thank you so much. Now Right Reverend Dennis Panipicha, Auxiliary Bishop of Miao, honored by Vice President of Cathedral Parish, Gregory Musahari. Next, I would like to invite Right Reverend Joachim Walder, Auxiliary Bishop of Aizawl. To do this honor, I would like to invite Secretary of DPC, David Boro, to proceed with the Felicitation program. Now, Right Reverend Dennis Panipicha, Auxiliary Bishop of Miao. To be honored by David Boro, Secretary of DPC Boro. Next, I would like to invite Right Reverend Joachim Walder, Auxiliary Bishop of Aizawl. Next, I would like to invite Right Reverend Jose Chirakal, Auxiliary Bishop of Tura. Right Reverend Jose Chirakal, Auxiliary Bishop of Tura. And through this honor, I would like to invite Woman Wing Cathedral Parish, either President or Secretary. Please, anyone proceed. So, Right Reverend Jose Chirakal, Auxiliary Bishop of Tura. Now, I would like to invite Reverend Father Johnny Pulopoli, Diocese of Bhopal. Reverend Father Philip, Diocese of Bhopal. And to do this honor, I would like to invite a spokesperson of DPC to proceed with the Felicitation program. Reverend Father Johnny Pulopili, representing Bhopal Diocese, and Reverend Father Philip, border from Bhopal. Siapa komnani he? So now I would like to invite Reverend Bishop Ishak Musahari, Bishop of Udalguri Diocese, Boro Evangelical Lutheran Church, come, Co-Chairman, Interchurch Peace Mission. And to do this honor, I would like to invite Anando Musahari. Yeah. Ananda, to proceed with the felicitation of Reverend Bishop Ishak Musahari, Bishop of Udalguri Diocese, Boro Evangelical Lutheran Church, and he is also co-chairperson of the Interchurch Mission. So thank you Bishop. Now may I now invite Mr. Inos Bosumtari, President Boro Baptist Church Association Pukraja, also Secretary Interchurch Peace Mission. Why not? And to do this honor, I would like to invite our Secretary DPC David Para to proceed with the Felicitation program. So thank you, Bishop. Now, may I now invite Deputy Secretary, North Eastern Regional Bishops Conference, Padma Omal Raj. Please come to the stage. And to do this honor, I would like to invite Chairperson of the DPC to felicitate Jangan subscribe Borai Perdua. Yeah, to felicitate, I would like to invite Jalan Bosumtari, Chairperson of DPC, Pohaido. Now, may I request all provincial, vice provincial, and major superiors of the congregation, please come to the stage. Since we do not have the list, so at once I would like to invite all provincial, vice provincials, and major superiors of the congregation to come to the stage, please. And I would like to invite all our committee members to proceed with the felicitation items. Tanya bisa lu ngesenga